Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be opening up a mystery box from Beautylish. This is a Jeffree Star exclusive mystery box. This is not the lucky bag, but it costs the same.
That's a big box. Must have a lot of mystery in it.
It is a $75 box. It is supposed to have about $160 worth of value in it. I guess they just wanted to do more mystery boxes, I guess. So we are going to open it up and see that it has the Jeffree Star logo on it with a black paper, not pink paper. Oh my gosh. There is a lot of stuff in here. That is what it looks like right there. And stuff here. We are going to open it up. Okay, I saw someone get this in their their lucky bag. This is like a lipstick holder, I guess. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics on it. I definitely do not have room for this. Maybe after we move or something like that. Let me check something out. Okay, I'm going to take it out of its packaging and see if it'll hold one of my regular lipsticks. Or my own lip glosses.
Those are hole punched. Okay.
Yeah. This is made out of cardboard. And yeah, this is just one of my...
Jeffree Star quality cardboard.
This is just one of my Moira lip glosses, so it fits. Okay, that'd be cool to have.
Stop them from tumbling all over the place.
Yeah, yeah, they fall everywhere. So that's cool. Let me see the... So I'll have to save that for when we move somewhere. I mean, when we move to our next place. So, can you put that in the bag? That's pretty cool. The next thing I already have, and I don't have a lot of Jeffree Star stuff, so this is kind of disappointing, is the Orgy palette. It is...
Do you have that one?
That's what I'm saying. This thing... Aren't you listening?
What?
This thing is something I already have, and I don't have a lot of Jeffree Star, but... This is, like I said, the Orgy palette, so I'll put this in a giveaway. But it is a very beautiful palette, and I have used it a few times. So that is nice. Of course, I'll ask you ahead of time if you want it, because I know a lot of people don't like Jeffree Star. Okay, well, it looks like we got a sample in this bag here. It is... it's just from Beautylish. It is of the Orbe shampoo and conditioner. So I'll just put that off to the side. Okay, it looks like I've got the gloss. I don't have any of this. And this is in Control Freak. What?
Nothing.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing. Definitely nothing. It is controlling. It doesn't even want to come out of there.
Yes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like a very pretty pink color. Let's see what it looks like. I still have glitter on my hands from doing my makeup. That's a nice clear pink. I like that. I like it a lot. And then we have another gloss. The gloss in here. It is called Sky High. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Nice and sparkly.
These look like they should be part of a chess set.
Yeah, his components are very, very nice. So that is nice. And then I have a shake well before use. What is this? A velour liquid lipstick. Oh, I do like his it's in the shade Shane. I don't like Shane Dawson. But okay. That is what it looks like. I do have the Controversy palette and I do like it. Look at that. Doe foot. I don't have any color like this, so look at that.
What kind of color is that? Sort of dark bronzy?
Like a dark taupe color. Oh, I do like that.
These would all fit in your new little case there.
Yes, they would. And then we have I didn't shake that before using it. A Liquid Star Shadow. Oh.
Fancy box.
Called Manifest. Look at this packaging. Ooh.
Goes with my shirt.
And that is what it looks like. Kind of a pinky orange coral shade. More orange. Yeah, kind of an orange coral shade.
Kind of a macaroni Velveeta orange.
I wouldn't say that. I would say it's a nice orange shade.
Like a shade in orange would actually be?
Okay, and I did get one more palette that I do not have. And that is the Pink Religion palette.
Ooh.
And yeah, I love me some pink.
That looks like a book.
It's supposed to be like the Bible.
Right.
Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like without the cover on it. And oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Has a mirror in it. And this is what it looks like. Purples and pinks. I love purples and pinks.
Yeah, you do. Let's see the names.
Probably some
Luxury.
Probably something inappropriate.
Princess Crown. Frosting Colt. Candy Cathedral. Jeffree's World. Handbag Queen. Cute.
Not inappropriate names like in the orgy palette.
No, not too much. It's got a lot of fancy embossings on that one.
Yeah, look at the embossings
like
on it.
3 different kinds at least.
I don't know if you can see that, but oh, I'm so excited for this. Makes up for me getting the orgy palette a second time. It only has a few shimmers in it. I'm surprised about that. Awesome, awesome. So that is what I got in my Jeffree Star mystery box. What do you think? Did you think it was worth it? I got the lipstick holder, the Pink Religion palette, the orgy palette, these 2 glosses here, the velour lip, and the liquid shadow. I'm happy with it, obviously. So, again, I'll be putting that orgy palette in a future giveaway. Like I said, leave me a comment down below if you liked it. Give this video a big thumbs up. if you liked it, any kind of engagement you can give will help to push this video out to other viewers like yourself. Hi, if you are new here, I am Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. We do lots of videos like this. If you don't like us, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a... Did I get some gloss on me? So that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we will see you in an Ipsy versus Ipsy battle tomorrow. Just stay well until then, okay? All right, goodbye.